Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. So today we'll be doing the unboxing and we shall take a first look at the new Redmi K20 Pro. So I ordered this smartphone Redmi K20 Pro on the alpha sale on the 17th of July at 8 PM that was conducted on both Flipkart and me.com. I ordered it from Flipkart and I have received the package today. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So now we have broken the seal of the box and now we'll open the box and we'll get to see the smartphone itself. So once we open the box of this smartphone, we'll get to the paperwork, or a card is present over here, which is common with all smartphones as usual. So inside this package, we got to see this hard plastic case for the Redmi K20 Pro, guys. From the first impressions, the plastic case looks to be of a really good quality. It is made up of a very good quality plastic, guys. On this surface of the hard plastic case, it says Redmi designed by Xiaomi. We'll review the back case that is present inside the package of the Redmi K20 Pro along with a third-party case as well. So we also have some warranty information and other information, and inside this package we have the user manual of the Redmi K20 Pro. So guys, this is the Redmi K20 Pro smartphone, and let me take out the smartphone from this box. So guys, this is the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro. It is in glacier blue color, guys. I have purchased this smartphone in blue color because I like this red color button that they have provided on the Redmi K20 Pro. Let me keep this to the side and we'll take a look at what are the other components which is present inside the box. So inside the box there is this Xiaomi charger that is present, guys. As you can see, it is a 9-volt 2 ampere charger and it is a fast charger. It is an 18-watt fast charger, guys, that can charge your smartphone Redmi K20 Pro from 0 to 100% in 100 minutes or so. This Redmi K20 Pro also supports 27-watt fast charging, which is actually sold separately, and this is the USB Type-C cable, guys. As you can see, this is the USB Type-C cable, and once I peel this cover, it has been mentioned over here. It says using a third-party protective film or tempered glass screen protector could seriously affect your ability to unlock the screen using fingerprint scanner. The smartphone looks stunning to look from the back surface. It is made up of this glass back which has been protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the back, and also the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 has been present on the front surface of the smartphone as well. So guys, this device Redmi K20 Pro comes with the Snapdragon 855, the flagship octa-core SoC made by Qualcomm. It has 6GB, 128GB and 8GB 256GB RAM and storage options available in India right now. It is powered by a 4000 mAh battery which supports fast charging up to 27 watt. It also has the USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. So guys, now let us power on the device and set it up, and also I'll explain you guys the features of this smartphone as well. Once we power on this device, we'll get this MIUI 10 designed for full screen experience. Let me set it up, guys. So when we are setting up this smartphone, it says copy apps and data, but I do not want to copy apps and data right now. I wanted to set it up as a fresh smartphone. Let us set up the fingerprint scanner, guys. That is the most important thing, and this smartphone Redmi K20 Pro comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner, so we have to set it up and see how is the speed of the in-display fingerprint scanner. So we have successfully set up the in-display fingerprint scanner, guys. While we are setting up any Redmi smartphones or smartphones running on MIUI, one of the most important things that you have to do is you have to turn off some of the important things which will actually reduce the ads, guys. Just turn off this user experience program, just turn off this send diagnostic data automatically, just turn off this personalized ad recommendation. So except location, all the other features I have turned off while setting up my smartphone. The smartphone setting up is completed. So guys, once I have successfully set up my smartphone, the first note notification that I got is from the updater, which says I have some updates available for my smartphone, which is the MIUI 10.3.3. Redmi K20 Pro is the first smartphone in the Redmi series to come with the default Poco launcher. So this is the Poco launcher that comes in the Redmi K20 Pro, guys. Last year we all loved the Poco smartphone and the Poco launcher that was present because of the presence of the app drawer. And app drawer was a smart app drawer which will actually divide all the apps that is present on your smartphone as per the categories. So this is the default Poco launcher that comes inside this Redmi K20 Pro smartphone. So this is a beautiful 6.39 inch Full HD plus Horizon AMOLED display. So Horizon AMOLED is just a marketing term that Redmi uses for an AMOLED display, and the display on this smartphone looks absolutely magnificent. The blacks on the surface go to edge of the surface. As you can see, the blacks on the edge of the surface looks stunning, and also the whites on the text also looks absolutely stunning, guys. This smartphone is also the first smartphone from the Redmi category of smartphones to have a DC dimming technology. Now once we go to the settings, this is a default MIUI that is present inside the normal Redmi smartphones. The version of the Android is Android 9 Pie. So Xiaomi has promised that this smartphone will be receiving both the Android Q and Android R in the next upcoming years. Now let's go to the storage, guys. So this is the storage, and the version that I have purchased is a 128 GB version, and out of the 13 GB has been utilized for the OS and other default applications, and 115.38 GB is remaining. So as we all know, this is the quick settings toggle, guys. In the quick settings toggle, one important thing or a new thing, the presence of this dual GPS. So this is a dual band GPS which is present inside this Redmi K20 Pro smartphone, which helps you to locate your location, or which helps you to give your location to any services like Swiggy or Uber or any services in the most accurate manner. If you have experienced this on your previous smartphones, like you have booked your Uber to your road and your Uber will be waiting in the next road, I think on this smartphone that problem will be solved because of the presence of a dual band GPS. Let me open the camera application. So this is the default camera. Let me allow it. It says it has ultra wide angle mode. Let me click on OK, and now the moment of truth, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is the pop-up selfie camera, which is a 20 megapixel f2.2 lens. So this is a pop-up selfie camera which has been packed inside this. As per Redmi's claims, it has this sapphire glass protection that is present on this pop-up selfie camera, and also it has the drop protection in case you accidentally drop this pop-up selfie camera. So it's fun to use the pop-up selfie camera, guys. Now what we'll do is we'll take a look at some of the features that is present inside the camera application. There is this photo mode, there is this 48 megapixel mode, which is a very good addition, guys. There is this portrait mode, the night mode, the panorama mode, and the pro mode. So this is the video mode, this is the slow motion mode. In slow motion, as we all know, it supports 960 FPS slow motion, guys. And also there is this flash option that is present, and also there is this HDR option that is present, guys. And this AI camera feature, these are normal filters that is present inside the Redmi smartphones. As you can see, it says pocket mode, lock touch gestures when placed in a pocket. These are the different options that is present. Add timestamp on photos, device watermark, show grid lines. I want to use the grid lines, guys, so I have turned on the grid lines. So guys, let me take some camera samples both from the front camera and also from the rear camera of this Redmi K20 Pro smartphone, and I'll show you guys the sample footage of the photos that was taken from this smartphone right now.
Now let's test the speed of the in-display fingerprint scanner, guys. And the smartphone Redmi K20 Pro also supports full screen gestures instead of using navigation buttons at the bottom of the screen, and you can follow the tutorial that I am showing on the screen in order to navigate between home, recent tabs, and also the back button. it does not have a SD card support. Instead, it has dual nano SIM card tray. The device has the notification indicator LED that is placed on the top surface of the pop-up selfie camera. The smartphone supports up to 27 watt of fast charging, but the in-box charger is only 18 watt. The smartphone does not come with any dual stereo speakers. Instead, the smartphone's speaker is a single speaker, which is a bottom firing speaker, which is of a really good quality. And also it supports HDR playback on this beautiful AMOLED display on applications like YouTube, Amazon and Netflix.
So guys, that was it for the unboxing and first look and impression of this Redmi K20 Pro smartphone, guys. I'll be bringing the camera samples video. I'll be bringing the full in-depth review of this smartphone. So stay tuned for that videos as well, guys. And if you have still not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you have to hit that subscribe button, as we are your source for all the latest updates, products, reviews, tips and tricks, and a lot of things in diverse and in detail related to technology. Thank you for watching, guys.